Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites and acting immediately. Gather these and those, one set each, charged and ready. Once done, clear a workspace and sort items by function so you don't confuse parts. Then power on and set basic options, connect or pair where required. Make sure to follow the first clickable or physical step. Press the main button, tap the setup icon, or insert the key, and watch the indicator for success before moving forward. You now progress into the complex middle steps that require care. Start by executing the sequence. Use these for the initial action, then bring in those for the next phase. Verify each handoff. Once a change is applied, adjust intermediate settings like sensitivity or mode and perform a quick test to confirm effects. Make sure to use small increments and observe LED or progress feedback. If something lags, pause and recalibrate rather than forcing the next step. You finish by completing the final alignment and validating the whole process. Run a full trial to confirm expected behavior, then save settings and lock or store items so they remain consistent. Once complete, label or document what you did for next time. If things go wrong, try one simple troubleshooting tip. Restart the sequence from the last confirmed step, recheck physical connections, and clear temporary caches. If the issue persists, note the exact symptom before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.